Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Air, and along with this we will solve some fill in the blanks from chapter 4. So let us move for our today's topic. Dear students, today we will discuss first the last page of our chapter, effects of air pollution on human health and the environment. Air pollution is harmful for human health. It can cause diseases such as lung cancer, respiratory infections and heart disease. Air pollution also has negative effect on environment. The smoke from burning fossil fuel includes carbon dioxide or other different types of harmful gases. When those gases increase in the air, they cause global warming or acid rain. Dear students, when we have discussed the chapter 2, that time I also tell that carbon dioxide can hold some sun's heat and it is increasing the atmosphere's temperature, and this increased temperature is known as global warming. This is a very dangerous for the for our total earth. And or acid rain, that acid rain caused by mix up with the clouds, the various types of smokes which is emitted from the industry and various types of vehicles which we use for our modern life, for make easy of our life. Come to next line. Acid rain is caused by smokes of industries mixed with clouds. Due to acid rain, living thing can be harmed or killed. How to prevent air pollution? Using less energy, we can reduce more consumption of fossil fuel, because most of the gases which is harmful for our environment, it emits from the when we use the fossil fuel. That's why we have to use less the using of fossil fuel by the reduce more consumption of our energy. Now come to next line. For example, turning off lights and walking or riding bicycle instead of car. We can also follow 3 R's like reducing use of natural resources, reusing and recycling to preventing pollution. And we already learned about this in class chapter 2 of environment pollution. Cleaning garbage and planting tree are also good practice to keep air clean, because the most harmful gas is carbon dioxide for atmosphere pollution and for air pollution, and plants use this carbon dioxide for making their food. If we plant more trees, that more plant will use more huge amount of carbon dioxide and it will help to keep the air clean. Now we will solve the fill in the blanks which is from related to this chapter. Now come to the fill in the blanks. A sailboat uses wind to dash across the river. That will be travel. Travel across the river. Second one, carbon dioxide is used in dash such as sodas to give it a fizz. It will be soft drink. Now next one, human dash is a major cause of air pollution. The answer will be activity. Next one, the smoke from burning dash is the causes of air pollution. It will be woods. Next one, air pollution is harmful for human dash. It will be health. Next one, acid rain is caused by dash of industries mixed with clouds. That will be smoke. Last one, due to dash, living thing can be harmed or killed. It will be acid rain. Dear students, this is your homework number 10. Your homework will be fill in the blanks. You can follow your textbook chapter 4 and you can make 10 fill in the blanks. That means you have to make 10 fill in the blanks from your chapter 4 and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. Keep practicing, learn all the previous question answer and do the HW regularly, submit it regularly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.